Hey, hey, how's everybody doing? Can you recognize what I got there? Can you even see it? It is a plant saucer, but it's not a crazy expensive plant saucer. It's a $5 fix from wherever you'd find them, like a party store. Or I got this at a flea market, $5 with tax, and it's a perfect plant saucer. If you grow with larger pots like I do, this is I think this is 7 gallon with a 16-inch diameter base, and this tray offers 18, and you can see how high it is. It's 3 inches tall. Now, normal plant saucers that you buy from a grocery store or like Amazon, they're only that high. They're an inch and a half high. They're short. And this one, I could put a good liter and a half in there straight away and let that absorb and not make a mess. And I am all about keeping a clean tent. So I usually grow in 10 gals. So these are going to be perfect. What a cheap solution. I can't afford to get the actual ones, so these are perfect. Perfect. Peace, everyone.